While I was working on this Moodle server, I received this email. Moodle 5.2.2 is available. It's a minor release with security fixes. So this is the perfect moment to show you a safer update process that's easy to repeat and less tedious. Welcome back to Open Education Operations. This site is running Moodle 5.2.1 from the official Git repository. We will move it to the official 5.2.2 release, upgrade the database from the command line, and bring Moodle, cron, and monitoring back in a controlled order. This is a public demonstration server with no contributed plugins or themes. If your site has either, or if your composer files changed, complete those checks before following the update path. You can find the complete preflight environment branches and recovery procedure in the companion guide. Most importantly, don't begin without a current backup and a recovery point you can actually use. Now, let's get to work. I will start in the Moodle directory and prove exactly which code is installed. The remote must point to the official Moodle repository. The site must be on the expected 5.2.1 tag, and the working tree must be clean. Let's check using these commands. That gives us a known starting point. If your tag, commit, remote, or working tree is different, please stop here. The correct Git path depends on what is actually installed. Next, I will fetch only the target release tag and record the exact commit behind it. The hash you can see here is the commit I expect head to match after the checkout. I also have a verified application backup and a current provider snapshot. I will keep this proof compact and confirm that the backup recovery point is present using this command. The full backup integrity and compatibility checks are in the guide. Here the important decision is simple. No usable recovery, no updates. Before touching the code, I want a quiet maintenance window. The 29 check controller on the server monitors cron. So I will pause its schedule first and let any health check already running finish. I will do this using this command. Next, I will enable Moodle maintenance mode and stop the cron service so it can't launch another scheduled task. Stopping the service prevents new launches, but it does not end Moodle cron processes that are already running. So I will wait for those workers to finish normally, and I will monitor them using this command. This part can be slow when a scheduled task is active. I will speed through the unchanged counts, but I won't skip the final 0. That 0 means no Moodle cron worker is still touching the application. Great, now we can continue. But before moving to the code, I will verify the full protected state one last time. Everything is fine. Maintenance is enabled, cron and monitoring are inactive, and the worker count is 0. The maintenance window is ready. Next, I will switch the code to the 5.2.2 version. The current site is already pinned to the official version 5.2.1 release tag. So the attached head is expected. I will switch directly to the fixed version 5.2.2 tag and keep the checkout detached from any moving branch. Next, I will link to the protected configuration, then verify that the tag, commit, and Moodle release fields all match. Nice, the code is now Moodle 5.2.2. But the database has not been upgraded yet. Moodle should report that an upgrade is pending. Let's check using this command. As expected, an upgrade is pending. You will notice that I am not running Composer. For this specific transition, composer.json and composer.lock are unchanged between the two official tags. That's an observed release difference, not a rule for every Moodle updates. So please always check the update details. The new code and the old database must not remain mixed. I will run Moodle's command line upgrade to apply the required schema and component changes. These can take longer on a larger site, so I will accelerate the routine success lines while leaving any warning, error, and the final completion message at normal speed. Great, completed successfully. Always a welcomed message. Now I will ask Moodle whether anything is still pending. Now we get no upgrade needed. This confirms that the database is current for the installed 5.2.2 code. But still, it does not prove that the public site, cron, or monitoring are healthy yet. We will verify those separately. If the upgrade stops with an unresolved error, don't place the old code over a database that might already have changed. This is very important. Please keep the sites protected and follow the recovery procedure. Now that the code and database match, I will purge Moodle caches so stale generated data does not cross the release boundary. The cache purge is complete. An important note here. If your environment enforces custom file permissions, recheck Moodle's generated cache files after they are recreated. I have included the environment-specific procedure in the companion guide. The protected work is complete. Next, I need to disable maintenance mode, check the public login path, and restart cron using these commands. The public path is returning HTTP 200. But Moodle's full status also checks cron freshness. So immediately after restarting cron, a temporary warning is normal until a scheduled run completes. To monitor this behavior, I will use this command and give cron up to 3 minutes to catch up, checking every 15 seconds. I will compress that wait and return at the first healthy result. Moodle is healthy. If this 29 check controller looks familiar, it's the health engine we built in the previous video. I will leave the video link in the description. But before restarting its 5-minute schedule, I will run the controller once manually and check its service results and latest success summary. The controller succeeded. Its exist status is 0 and the fresh journal line shows all 29 checks healthy. That's the gate for restarting the schedule. Let's do it with this command. Now the timer is active and enabled. Monitoring was the first background system paused and the last one returned. Let's close with 3 compact checks instead of repeating everything we just ran. First, get must show the exact 5.2.2 tag and a clean working tree. Second, Moodle must report that no database upgrade remains. And finally, the 29 check controller must have a healthy result. The server is now running the official Moodle 5.2.2 code. Its database is current, and the server's application and infrastructure checks are healthy. That proves the declared update path here. Not compatibility with every plugin, theme, cache design, or hosting model. That completes the server-side checks, but we can't close without checking our old friend Moodle. Let's make sure it's back online and working as expected. Great, everything looks good. That completes the update work. Now, this is one of the practical reasons we installed Moodle from Git. Moving between exact official release tags is much cleaner. Git does not replace backups, maintenance mode, the database upgrade, or final validation, but it gives the code transition a precise path you can reuse. The companion guide includes the complete preflight, environment branches, and recovery procedure. If this helped you maintain your own Moodle server, please subscribe to Open Education Operations. I will see you in the next one.